Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find USDT wallet address on Mexc exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Mexc exchange. Once you have logged into your Mexc, you need to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here you need to click on deposit, simply click on deposit, and now you need to select on-chain deposit. Now from the list of currencies in the search bar you need to search for USDT and select USDT Tether. Now you need to choose a network, so simply choose a network according to your choice, and always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now I have simply select Tron TRC20, and here you can see your USDT wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDT wallet address on Mexc exchange. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.